What's up, guys? How's it all going today? Today we're going to have a look at Bitcoin. We're going to analyze it. We're going to identify what's happening to Bitcoin and in general. Just have some fun and let's just get into it. Okay, guys. Today we're going to analyze Bitcoin and let's just see in general where's Bitcoin going, because at this moment we can all see in that specific structure. Bitcoin just running sideways. It's going nowhere. It's going nowhere. Just running sideways. Now we're going to identify, okay, where's Bitcoin going right now in that specific structure on the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, first of all, guys, I'm a pattern-based trader. That means I trade off patterns. I use indicators for entries to get into trades, but I don't use indicators to see where the market is going. I use indicators just to get entry into trades. What I do to see where the market's going, I use patterns. I see what's the high point, what's the low point, where's the market right now, and that we can get into right now. First of all, guys, as you guys know, we first have to identify the high points, correct? The turnarounds. There's a good get at it. We first have to identify the turnarounds in the market, correct? There's one turnaround, there's one turnaround, there's one turnaround, and there's another turnaround. Let's see. Okay, there's three main turnarounds. Okay, let's get the low points. Okay, I can only see 2 low points, and then there's a middle point. Okay, we won't get into that now, but you just need to identify the main turnarounds. Now we identify the highs and lows. Now let's just put a channel quickly through it. Let's just quickly put a channel through it. Okay, a bar, whatever you guys call it, a bar. Just quickly put a line through it. I like using that line. You guys can definitely use that line if you guys want to use it. You guys can definitely use such a line. So let's just show you. You guys can definitely, nothing stopping you guys from using such a line. I just like that bar. I like that bar specific one. Okay. Basically, guys, we're going to take the high points to the. We're going to take all the high points. All the high points to identify. We're going to put it into a bar like that. Right around like. Let me change color. It's really an ugly color. Let's make it red. Red means no go. Oh gosh, so red. There we go. Okay, now we first identify the high points. And then we're going to go to the low points. Okay, I don't want to take that. We already identify the high points. Now you guys can see everything's not going to be 100%. The market's not 100%, correct? Now you guys can see that thing barely touched it. You can maybe take a little downer to get that point right there inside. I want to point my finger, gosh. Just get that point right there inside. That specific point. Then it just barely touches it. But you guys can see the market's not perfect, correct? And you want to get that a little lower. And guys, another thing, guys, just play with it. Like, nothing's wrong playing with it. It's not bad playing with the support and resistance. Just tweak it, play with it, till you feel okay. I feel comfortable what I just put on the chart. Just play with it. Okay, now we're going to identify the low points. I believe it needs to be there. And you guys can see how I'll just play with it just to see, in general, just see which one fits the best. That's all the game goes about. Which one makes the most sense? Is it like that? Is it like that? Okay, let's put it like that. What I'm also looking at for is, guys, I'm looking for, like, for example, you see, like, for example, the push up there. The reason I'm not adding that push up is because there's so little reaction. Now the reason I added that push up right there, you can see the action was big, right? Now I know when it comes to the zone, the reaction is going to be big, and that's the main focus what I'm also looking at, and that's why I'm adding that one in. And let's just change it to green, because green means a good zone to get into. Okay, let's just delete the low points now. Really identify the highs and lows. Now I really identified the highs and lows right now, correct? Now what you can do right now, we can also identify the middle. Now when I say the middle, we can just identify, we can see in that structure, you can see we have, okay, let me just get my line. You can see we have all that ups and downs when the market's going like that, correct? And you guys can see also there again, it's not going up and down. Then that means in that zone right there, in that structure right there, there's a support and resistance in smaller time frames, but what you can identify in bigger time frames. Let's just have a look. From there, once again, just play around with it. It's all about playing. Okay, let's just get that. Let's make that blue, like a turquoise. Ah, gosh, turquoise. I can't even say the name. Okay, I'm not gonna try to pronounce say the name. Okay, basically no. Let's just forget about the name. Basically, it's a blue, very light blue. But basically, guys can see that we identified the middle where the market's live coming down and bouncing, and you guys can see it went up, got rejected by the big resistance, came down, broke through the support, turned into resistance, bounce, and yeah, I was just thinking you can maybe adjust it a little bit more if you want to, just get that one in. There we go. I like it just like that. Love it. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, basically guys, now we identified the support, the middle support and resistance line, because let's keep on stopping and changing, because there's a support, and there's a resistance. Same there it is resistance at this moment, correct? The middle line keep on stopping and changing between the resistance and support, but there's our main resistance zone and there's our main support zone. Okay guys, and then from there we identify, okay fine, we identify our low points and high points. Now where's Bitcoin heading to? As just doing that simple support and resistance zone stuff, we can already identify that Bitcoin main direction is trying to get to that support zone, and that's where I'm going to be waiting for Bitcoin to go before I enter any position, that specific zone. Then once in that zone, I'm going to start looking for possible buy. And guys, you guys can see we identify the direction of Bitcoin with no indicators, just with simple trend lines. Because the thing is, indicators for me, I use indicators just for entry positions, not to understand what's happening to the market, where the market is going. Indicators just for me to show me when can I enter, is a good time to enter, and all that stuff, correct? But now we're going to identify, okay fine, we see that structure in that specific let me get my line out. We see that structure on Bitcoin. Let's keep on getting tighter. You guys can see it's getting tighter. Like the volume is low. Let's have a look at the volume quickly. The volume is low. Oh gosh, the volume is low now. Let's just quickly have a look at the volume compared to that. You can see that boost, that the shoot where the boost was strong. You guys can see how that volume picked up. And you guys can more got into the sideways structure. You guys can see how the volume starting to die out. They're starting to die out. From there, we all know Bitcoin was running sideways and doing nothing. You guys can see how low is the volume. No one's interested. You can see how it's keep on dying out. And that's why the market's keep on making that short little push sideways, push down, up. There's not a lot of volume inside the market. And now we can say, okay fine, we identify the high and low points. Now what structure, is there any pattern that you can identify? Okay, now first of all we can take the trend lines. You can just put it across. We can see, okay, is there anything what you can see there? Okay, we can say, okay fine, there's nice 1, 2, 3 touches right there. I like that. Okay, then you can do the bottom one also. We can do it the bottom one. Okay. As the moment you just identify the ending diagonal. Let's get that one on. Okay. Oh no, I don't want to have that one. Let's get it wrong one. Okay. So far we identify the ending diagonal. Now we identify the ending diagonal. Now ending diagonal means the market is going to push up to the top. That means the market is going to more likely bounce, break to the top. That's what the ending diagonal indicates for us. And how we measure we must take a profit on the ending diagonal. You take the top and the bottom of the back. Then you're going to measure. Let's example it breaks out there. Then you take your PT there, take profit there, correct? And then what you guys can also do is what not all people shows you. You can also put start taking profit there. That's half the distance. Then you can start taking profit there. Then you have two zones. You can decide how risky you want to be. Do you want to take profit? Do you want to limit? Do you want to limit the structure and take profit right there? Or do you want what makes more sense? You take all the distance, take your money there. It's up to you guys. But basically, we just identify the ending diagonal. Now we know. Okay. First thing we identify the high and low points. Second thing, we just identify the structure, what's busy forming, what's busy playing. Correct. We just have to wait for it to play out. Now the next thing is that once when you identify all of that structures and patterns and stuff, now we just have to wait, correct? And that's when the indicator starts coming in. Now that's when you can say, okay, fine, I like what I'm seeing, let's get more into it. Then you can say, okay, fine, let's bring all our indicators out. What is our indicators telling us? Okay, at this moment the EMA exponential moving average, I have it on 39 and 39 exponential moving average. I just feel it's working nicely on that specific Bitcoin. It's working nicely on Bitcoin. It's getting rejected. As you guys can see, it's getting rejected, correct? And we all know if a simple exponential moving average if the market is beneath the simple moving average, it's acting as resistance. If the market is above the simple moving average, it's acting as support, correct? Resistance, support, resistance, where we're gonna get support. But basically now we're beneath. Now it's acting as resistance, showing more stuff don't enter, correct? And then we have the 180-day simple moving average was still rejecting it, and that give us more confirmation that entering right now is not a good idea, because all our structures, all our patterns, everything going against us. Understanding that it's going to be very unusual if Bitcoin just starts pushing up. It's going to be very unusual. But what's not going to be unusual if it follows the pattern. What's a pattern? A pattern normally comes there and bounces. That's what happened before 2 times in a row, and that's what's going to happen there 10 to 1. And that's what you have to wait, be patient and wait and see what's going to happen. Okay? But guys, at the moment you just identified, very simple. It didn't take long. That's the thing. If you trading can be very simple and very easy if you just apply simple and easy stuff to it. But basically, you just identified it. Then once when the market is there at the bottom, you can go more in depth. Then you can say, okay, fine. What else is it telling me? Let's look at my MACD. What's my MACD telling me? Then you can say, okay, fine. There's something interesting, guys. There's something interesting. What do we see there? You have to have a look at it like that. Let me quickly show you guys. What do we see there? Let me just push it down a little bit. Okay. As you guys can see, the MACD is pushing up. That is pushing down. We just have a bullish divergence right there. That means the indicator is showing us that the trend downwards is getting weak, and that the base is getting weak, and the bulls and start taking over when it comes. And that's the thing, guys. The market, the structure is getting weaker and weaker, and that's what gave us another confirmation that the market's 10 to 1 going to break to the upside. Now we just have to wait. There's two stuff we have to wait for, or we have to wait for it just to break out and then start trending outside the structure, or we have to wait for where it's going to make more sense to enter and wait for the support entry right there, and that's what we're going to wait for right there. But we're getting a lot of clues with when it comes to the structure, the MACD. We're getting a lot of confirmation that the market is going to turn around, but we just have to now that's where the patient game comes in, guys. Just be patient and wait for the market to turn around. Don't like, okay, the market's not turning around, let me just start buying inside there because I don't want to you're afraid of missing out. Let's just be patient. Let's just wait for the market to get to that specific zone, and that's what I'm waiting for. Very simple, very easy breakdown. You guys saw how simple I broke it down. Just identify the high and low points and stuff, and there we go. But guys, it's very simple. You guys saw how fast I analyze Bitcoin, and it's not very hard and stuff. You just have to play around, have fun, and like always, just have fun, guys. Cheers, I'm out.